Wish you all a very good day, my dear children. Now today we are going to discuss grade 6 4th unit time. Now we all know about time. Now you in the morning you run up to the clock and read the time. Alright. Now we are going to consider this deeply. Now first of all let's read these times. What is this time? This shorthand represents, it denotes hours, and the long one minutes. This one is not directly, it does not directly show 7. It is just after 7. 7 and now these ones are all hours and this gap represents 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Then 7 and minutes, 5, 10, 15. 7 and 15 minutes. 7, 15. In here, 12. The 12 has, the hour hand goes to the middle. 12 and 30 minutes. Exactly half. In here, 6 o'clock. Exactly 6 o'clock. This one, the hour hand has gone passing 4, but not yet reached 5. It's a little before 5. 4 and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 5 and 4 and 45 minutes. 4:45. This one, in this one I have shown another, this very thin and red color, very thin hand, which shows seconds. It shows seconds. Here you are 8, 10 and 8 hours. 10 minutes and how many seconds? 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 seconds. This is the way. This thing you all know. Now, but still, when we read time like this, there comes a small problem. What is that? Alright, now let's consider that. Yes, my dear children, now your teacher asks you to join a Zoom class. That there is a Zoom class at 6:30. Then comes the problem. Then a problem arises. Is it 6:30? Is it in the morning or in the evening? There is a problem. Right. Now, when we use this 12-hour format, our common usual format, the day begins at 12 midnight, 12 in the night, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you get another 12 in the noon, daytime. And after that again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is again midnight. Like this it rotates. So this time from midnight to noon, it is called the AM. M, what is M? This is called the middle, the meridian. Middle, the meridian. Anti-meridian, that is before the noon. And post-meridian, that is called PM after 12 noon. Then when we write this 12-hour time in the 12-hour system, if it is in now the school begins at 7:30 AM. But if it is after, now your tuition classes begins at 2:30 PM. Now when you write time using the 12-hour format, you can write only 1 digit for the hour section, but 2 digits for the minute section. That means if it is 7:05 in the morning, that is 7:05 AM. 7:05 in the afternoon. Now in the night it must be in the post meridian 7:05 PM. Like that. You must always use 2 digits for the minute section, but if you have only 1 digit for the hour section, you can put only 1 digit, and there must be a dot in between to separate the minutes and hours. But if it is 7:05 in the evening, it belongs to the post meridian. Then it is 7:05 PM. Okay, now we can understand that the day begins in the 24-hour system. The day begins at 0 and continues like this unto 12 and again 13, 14, 15 unto 24. 24 is midnight. Then another problem arises. 0 is midnight, 24 is again midnight. Which one is the midnight? Both represent midnight. But my dear children, we do not use 24 as a time. 24 we do not use. Right? Instead we write 0, 0. But there is only one instance where we use 24. That is, if we happen to write the end of a day is 24. That is the only instance where we write 24. In all the other cases, midnight is 0, 0, 0, 0. Right. Now, there is another one thing that I must tell you. Now, if we happen to, now when we write time, if we happen to mention the number of seconds, how can we mention it? That is 0, 7, 0, 5 seconds, 23. If you write a third portion, that denotes seconds. If you do not want to write, if you don't want to write seconds, then don't write this. In the standard system, if you want to mention seconds, put 2 dots and write the number of seconds in 2 digits, all line 2 digits. Okay. Now let's see how we can convert time between 12-hour format and standard or 24-hour format and the other way around using this chart, this line. Now you know, now the above one from here to here, midnight to 12 noon, this portion which has been written in red denotes the AM, while from here to here denotes PM after 12 noon. But this blue one, it indicates the same time in 24-hour format or the standard format. Okay, now 7:20 AM. Here you are. Now find it in here. If it is AM, it must be on this side. 7:20 AM. It must be in here. So, what is it in 24-hour format? 07:20. No AM PM business. Alright. 7:25 PM. In here. It belongs to the post meridian. Then it is in here. So in 24-hour format it is 19:25. 25. Here you are. 7:25, 19:25. 8:10 AM. 8:10 AM. So in 24-hour format, standard format, that is 8 but 08 10. 8:30 PM. PM in here. 8:30. It lies here. That means in 24-hour format that is 20:30. 20:30. Then 12:10 AM. 12:10 AM. Here you are. 12:10 AM. Here it is a very special case. In 24-hour format that is 0, 0. Here you are. It has not yet come to 1. 0, 0, 10, 10. 12:10 PM after 12 noon. That is 12:10. 12:10. 12 noon. In the 12-hour format, we have to write 12 noon. But in the 24-hour format, nothing to write. That is 12:00. 12 midnight. 12 midnight. You can write it like this. 00:00. Here you are, 12 midnight. or 2400. So there are two ways. Now notice, my dear children, we don't use this 24. We do not use it. Only 0000. But there is only one instance where we use 24. If somebody asks you the time that the day ends up, end of a day, if it is the end of a day, that is 2400. In all the other cases, it is 0000. 24 is used only for that particular instance only. Alright. Now we are going to step into the next one. Now we are going to convert time from standard time or from 24-hour format to 12-hour format. Now see 355 in the standard time. Standard time 355. So what's it in 12-hour format? That is 355, but that belongs to the AM. 3:55 AM. Then 8. Here you are 8. 8. That belongs to AM. 8 AM. The other one is 23:40. 23:40. 23:40. Here you are 23:40. That is 11:40 PM. 11:40 PM. The other one 12. That is 12. There is no any other 12 in the 24-hour format, but in the 12-hour format there are two 12s. In here only one, that is 12 noon. 12 noon. 12:10. 12:10. It is in here. That is 12:10 PM. 00:50. Here you are. 00:50. In 12-hour format, that is 12:50 AM. Then 15:20. 3:20 PM. On this side. 00:00. That is 12 midnight. 12 midnight. Yes. Now you can, by using this chart, you can convert time from 12-hour format to 24-hour format, standard format, or the other way around. Right. Now we are going to step into the next thing. Now in the standard time, you write like this. In the morning, the school begins at 7:30. Right? But if you want to mention the number of seconds, at times we need. Now regarding a race or something like that, we need the number of seconds. If you want to mention, put another 2 dots and write the number of seconds in 2 digits. That means 07:30 05. That means that is 5 seconds after 7:30. Like that. The third couple of digits represent seconds. And the last step today, how can we write the date? Write a date in the standard format. Right. Now, first you have to write the year. Then hyphen, month, hyphen, date. Right? But remember one thing, the year must have been written. You must write the year using 4 digits. 2021. Month 2 digits. 01. Date 2 digits. There must be definitely 2 digits. And hyphen in between. Now, in certain cases we have seen people put 2 digits to write the year. But that is wrong. In the standard form, it must be like this. We represent like this. Y hyphen mm hyphen dd. Why do we write it like this? Year. That means you have to use 4 digits to write the year, 2 digits to write the month, and 2 digits to write the date. Alright, this first portion is over. Anyway, after all, I would like to tell you another one thing. When you want to convert the 12-hour time to 24-hour time, this method also you can use. But I don't like to tell you methods anyway. At last I will tell you. If it is 7:30 p.m. afternoon, then add 12, that is 19:30. By adding 12, you can convert the 12-hour format into 24-hour format. Right, that's all. Then study this, and thereafter we will be doing the next video for the second part. Now, if you are satisfied, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified as soon as we put the next video. Alright, good luck my dear children.